morning, friends. So you saw my first breakfast of the morning, and I just wanted to come on here and talk to you a little bit about what my day is going to look like today while I show you everything that I am eating. So I need to get on the computer and do some work real quick, but while my kid is being dropped off at school, like I told you guys yesterday, my kid goes to my grandma's house. So while my kid is being dropped off at my mom's house, I just wanted to clean the house a little bit. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a spring cleaner, so if I ever get in like a mood where I see like one little thing out of place, I will immediately start cleaning, and then that will lead me to cleaning something else. And next thing you know, like the house is in like a organized mess of cleanliness. I don't know, it's weird, but I am going to start with work today. I haven't been to the gym. I was up pretty late last night, so I just wanted to get some extra sleep, or get my normal amount of sleep, and then knock out some homework, since yesterday was quite a struggle for me, trying to like get all my taskers done, which I did, but it took me a lot longer than normal. So I'm going to focus on schoolwork and work, and then I'm gonna hit the gym when I do therapy today, which will be about noon. So right now my meals are pretty common. I'm not a macro eater. I follow a pretty simple, basic, boring plan, even if I spice it up a little bit with my seasonings. I mean, like you guys saw, I put the Walden Farms syrup, pancake syrup, on my oatmeal. But really that's about as good as it's gonna get. My fish is usually the same every single week. It's lemon pepper. My beef is usually the same every week. It's more like Spanish seasonings, like ground beef, like super boring. Yeah, like my kale, I'll put garlic powder, onion powder, and salt, and that's pretty much a staple for like anything that I make. Super boring. I've tried to macro eat before, and I've tried to use additives and things that curb cravings. I don't feel that stuff works for me. I feel like the typical bro bodybuilder diet works a lot better for me, because I'm able to have that consistency, and my body knows no matter what that it's getting exactly what I got the day before, which for me works better, because then there's more room for it to digest and absorb the nutrients that are going into it. I hold a lot of body fat naturally. I am not a lean individual by any means. I never have been. I do grow muscle very fast. It's very easy for me to put on muscle. Even on a keto diet, I was able to put on good muscle, but I'm not a lean individual, so I can grow, but I can't lean down. It's very hard for me. So that's why I stick to a very plain Jane, simple, typical bro diet. I will continue showing you the rest of what my meals look like, and I'll talk to you a little bit about them, but for the most part, super plain Jane, nothing special, but it gets the job done. It is time to eat. I am, almost halfway done with my water already, but I'm going to take you downstairs and show you how I make my protein shake, and that'll be kind of like meal 2. So normally I would add peanut butter to the shake because the protein is peanut butter cup, but I used avocado for my fats this morning. And then I also found out that the NPC Universe in Teaneck, New Jersey has been postponed, which would have been the first July show, national show that I would have looked at doing. So that's not happening. So I added some chocolate chips to this because why not, you know? Not ready to finish these lectures, but I only have 2 videos left to watch for this segment, and then I'm gonna take a break and eat some lunch and do some cardio, because man, these neurons get into my brain. Get it? Neurons? Brain? All right, stupid biology humor, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, ladies and gents, this is meal 3, and it's 2:10, which is way later than I normally eat, but I had to go to work to get something printed and ended up checking emails, and here I am an hour later. So what I have is fish, rice, and asparagus. I measure my fish and my rice according to how much I need to be eating in ounces, but I don't measure my greens, so I don't know how much is on the plate. But your girl is hungry, so yeah. Hello. Yes, I'm laying on the floor because cardio is hardio. So I'm about to make my 4th meal, which will be shrimp and kale. all I do is pan fry the kale with garlic and onion powder and some salt, and then I throw the already cooked and seasoned, it's like lemon, garlic, salt, shrimp into the pan to like reheat it, because I try not to eat cold foods or drink cold foods other than ice cream or like my protein shake that I blend up, just because your digestive tract, so if you think about your body temperature is normally 98.6, your digestive tract also digests food better at a neutral warm temperature, which is about body temperature. So what happens is when you drink or eat something that is extremely cold or even like super hot, when it gets into your digestive tract, your enzymes don't fire as well, and it makes it really hard for your system to digest and actually break down and then eventually absorb your food once it gets into your intestines and out of your stomach. So keeping your food at a neutral warm temperature is a lot better for you. Even your water, room temperature water, stuff like that is actually better for your digestion as well. So I will do that. I will drop a picture or a video. I'm not quite sure, probably just a picture because your girl's tired. But I will drop that there, and then I am gonna go and finish. I've got about 20 minutes of cardio that I need to finish, but I think I'm just gonna finish it in a walk with my kiddo, my dog, and my husband. And then I will catch up with you guys after that. Dude, I don't know why she's always yelling. Trey, what are you yelling at? Huh? Where are you going?
The car.
No.
Oh, I can't go to the park. I can't go to the car if it's very muddy.
I just finished my quiz. Didn't do well, but we're just gonna work on that. We're just gonna go back and review some of the material. But I am going to finish my little study guide, and then I'm gonna have my meal 5, which will be ground beef and asparagus. And I will drop a video or picture for you to see what it looks like, but super simple, pan fried or pan, yeah, I just throw some asparagus in a pan, put the usual garlic powder, onion powder, and salt seasonings on top, and then mix it in with my beef. That's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed seeing what I eat throughout my day, and I will see you guys next time.